In this video I want to show you a simple way to make slime without borax or cornstarch with ingredients that you can simply find in any shop. Take a bowl and add about half a cup of PVA glue. Add 2 tablespoons of shower gel or liquid soap. Add food coloring. Now this is optional, but it will be much fun to add a lovely color, and do make it a very strong color as it will get lighter. Stir really well until the mixture is well blended. Then you need to add about a spoonful of contact lens solution. Again, this is easily found in any shop, and by now you will see that the composition, it starts to kind of lump up. And the last ingredient is bicarbonate of soda. Add about 2 or 3 teaspoons. And stir until it doesn't stick to the bowl anymore, and then it's ready to play with. At this point it still might be a little bit sticky. Just add a little bit more bicarbonate of soda. This slime is so cool and stretchy, and it's so addictive. I must warn you, you might end up making more than you actually need. This is definitely an amazing activity for kids, as you might end up playing with them over and over again. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to check the other videos, as I might make cool lovely things for my family on a budget and homemade products. Thanks you guys. Thanks for watching, and see you soon. Bye.